Uyu ni muguda munene uria renia ni SGR ehitukiire. Akiaria gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Narok kia irathiro, mubunge wake onaikaria mwena ucio ni mokirire kamiti ya uramati wa migunda, akiuga kuri andu marakugia wara kuona ona andu aria mabataire kurihwo mbeca ciao matire marihwo.
Kuna kakijana kutoka Land Commission ambao ni Maasai ambao ana intimidate watu, he threatened people, anatumia messages watu usiku, sijui kama hata yeye pia kwa pocket ya wa Chinese, na I'm not sure whether he's the one ambao pia ana mislead Zazuri.
Nake mubunge wa Kajiado West George Suguya ni ekirire ngaja uthurimi uria wekirwo niguo kumenya aria migunda yao ihutitio ni waki wa reri kuria thiete na mbere na kuga ni megutongoria ruriri rwa ukabi kwambika mirurungano niguo gukinyira kihoto kiao.
They have already signed it. We will revoke it. We are going to revoke it. And it is not only in Suswa where the lands are undervalued. Even along Kajiado West, Kajiado North, where a tunnel passes through my constituency in Kibiko, my residents are forced to sign.
Nake MCA wa mwena ucio ni oriti kamiti ya uramati wa migunda kugia na miario na ikaria mwena ucio.
We are not going to party with anybody who is trying to intimidate the rights of our people.
Haduini Hakameme TV, Geto Gishuki Wanganga.